Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys, and welcome to unboxing of Insta360 GO S camera. So as you might know, I used to have that camera, but it wasn't X, it was just GO 3 before, but that one was stolen in Colombia. So now I ordered the new one, Insta360 GO S. The only difference with this one is that this one is capable of 4K recording, so it's a little bit better. Otherwise it's the same, it's the small camera, 128 gigabytes internal storage, and I ordered it directly from the manufacturer, and I paid just for the camera without the casing, because I still have the casing from my other one and they are compatible. 279 euros, including postage and all taxes, all customs, everything included. And yeah, it took about 3 days, exactly 3 days from when I ordered it until they deliver it. And yeah, today we got the box like this. So yeah, let's open it up and see what they have sent us. Okay. Come on, okay. This is the package. The package. And what's inside? Nothing. Like protective disc. And here it comes. Very, very little package. So little, look. Yeah. I mean, what kind of big box for such a small package? I got. Anyway, yeah, standalone camera, Insta360 GO S, and here it says 128 gigabytes. There we go. The little camera. This is my finger. Look, half a finger. Works with Apple Find My. It's from Germany. I mean, it arrived from Germany. So let's try and open it up. Here is another thing. There we go. I cut it. Now, let's see what's inside. Maybe no camera. And yeah. Okay, so inside comes this little camera, plastic thingy, warranty thingy. Is there anything else? Let me check. There's some more papers here. Standalone camera, safety guidelines book, and that's it from this. Is there any instructions? No instructions. Only safety information is in English and in Chinese. Okay, and some other languages. And warranty card. Yeah. I see I will have problems again how to connect it, but that will make another video. Now I know what to do. Anyway, let's take the camera out. There it is, my little baby. As big as my thumb, even smaller, as small as my thumb, I should say. Yeah, so this is the camera. I still have this protective thingy. Not protective, but the new thingy. I put it off. because we don't need it. It goes to trash. Yeah, this is the camera, and on the back, let me see. Please remove the sticker before use. The back of the cam area dissipates heat and will get caught during use, and then a bunch of Chinese stuff. So we're removing this thingy. This is the magnetic thingy, so we can put it in the folder. Yeah, this was the sticker from the back. Anyway, I read it what it says, so it goes away as well. So yeah, this is basically the camera from the back and the camera from the front. Now I'll do another video. We can try to turn it on. Let's see. Yeah, it turns on, see, and then turns off. Hope it didn't start recording. Dip, dip. Now, I think first thing we'll do, we'll put it in the case that I have from before and fully charge it. After that, we'll play with it, how to install it. But I guess that will be in another video. This one is a little bit different, I think. Here on the edges, it's a bit like not smooth, you know. I don't think the previous one was like that. Yeah, there's just one thing that I noticed, but otherwise pretty light. I think it's how much, 29 grams, something like that. It doesn't have anything written. No, it doesn't. So yeah, we'll be testing this baby up in the following days. First I'll have to get it connected, of course, to the old thingy, and then yeah, then we'll test it a bit in 4K, if it's really better than the last one. Yeah, that will be it. I guess it's a bit hard plastic, but I think this goes to trash as well. Let me just go get the old case and we'll test if it fits in the old case, okay? Yeah. And this is the old case from Insta360 GO free without S. They say it was compatible, so yeah, the old case with this screen and this and this. Yeah, so this thingy should be connected to this one. So let's see. It fits inside. Yeah, it fits inside, and as you can see, the red light just popped up. So it means it's charging from the case. It's charging the little camera. So I guess everything is good now. I hope they will also be able to connect via Wi-Fi, and then I'll try to connect it to the phone. And I also had from before this case. This case is just battery pack to for charging the little camera. It doesn't have any screen in the back or anything. I bought this on internet. I think it was about 40 euros or 20 something. I'm not sure. It was like more than a year ago, so I'm not sure. But yeah, it says battery charger for 360 Insta360 GO free. Yeah, I didn't buy this from the original page. This is like from generic Chinese manufacturer, but with old camera I tried it and it was charging. Now let's see, let's try to release the camera and let's put it into my charger. Yeah, as you can see, it's also charging. Two lights left, so it's about half charge. So yeah, we can leave it to charge into this one, in this unit, or in the original unit. It doesn't matter, but when connecting first time, this camera should be in the original unit when you try to connect it by to phone. So yeah, I guess this is it for this video, the unboxing of Insta360 GO Free S. So that means 4K recordings with this little camera. I like it because when you wear like a bag, you can just clip it here, and it's really not that noticeable camera if you're using only the little one. But if you want to record like normally in the hand, you can of course use it in the case, either in battery pack, you know, this one. It also have this thingy where you can attach different non-original selfie sticks. Or this one has a special, this one doesn't have the little thingy, yeah, but it has the original thingy, so you can use it and record it with the original gimbal, let's call it, yeah. Okay guys, hope you like the video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Write me in your comments down below if you own this camera and what are your experience with it. Are you happy, unhappy? Or if you would like to buy it, maybe I'll put my link below, and I think you get some percent off, maybe 5% or something. Anyway, I'll try to do that, and I'll see you in the next one when we'll be testing this puppy up. And if I have any connectivity problems, we'll make a video about that one too. So testing of the camera will come in the following days, because today it's a bit rainy. Rainy. By the way, this one is waterproof, the little camera, but the casing is not waterproof. So if you plan to film under the water, be sure to use just the little camera, not together with the casing, otherwise you're screwed. So yeah, that has been today's video. Big Joe out. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.